Minecraft Wolf here, and today we're at a different house. Yeah, we're not in the town that we usually are. Today we're gonna look at some animals like I promised. Sorry it took me so long to make a YouTube video, but we were kind of busy for a while. So, oh yeah, and I'm joined with my sister, Destiny. Say hi, Destiny.
Hi. Hi.
She's gonna be in some of my YouTube videos. So, I was gonna look around for some animals. And, yeah. We'll probably look at some birds, like my little sister said, some bugs, and whatever. But until we find an animal, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. And there's a bunny right there. Probably can't see it very well. There it is. See it, guys? Isn't it a beauty? Let's see if we can get closer. This rabbit's so beautiful. Better not get too close so he doesn't hop away. Actually, I want to see you hop away. Let's see how close we can get.
Let's see if he don't hop.
Shh. There he goes. Ding, ding, ding. There he goes.
Did you do it?
Alright, we'll be back until we find another animal. Alright, you guys probably saw this bird before, but my little sister wants to show you it. How about you show them where they are, Destiny? Just point. Where?
Over there.
There it goes.
In that tree. In that tree.
There's another one over there. There it is. You guys probably seen dogs before. Look, cardinal. You guys are gonna be amazed by the cardinal. We gotta be careful. There's two birds. There's a girl cardinal and a boy cardinal. The girl cardinal already ran. Well, the boy cardinal already ran away.
Take photos of those.
No. Oh, there's the girl cardinal. The boy cardinal. Where'd he go? Alright, we'll be back until we find another animal.
Wait.
Alright, guys, we're back, and my little sister found an ant. You guys probably seen ants before, but she wants to show you guys it. There he is. There he is, see? Crawling. Next, we'll see if we can find his home. Be back. Hey guys, we actually found the ant home. It's right here. Somewhere.
I'm going to point so they know, okay?
Right here. See? Definitely move your finger so they can see it.
No.
Yes.
I need them.
No, it's fine. They can see it. There it is. Right here. Right here. There, we saw some ants crawling in here. Let's see if we can get some to come out.
Here, let me try.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll be back until we get some ants coming out. Well, we weren't that good for it over here. We'll be back until we find some other animals that look interesting. Alright? Isn't that right, Destiny?
Yes.
Alright, we'll be right back. Oh yeah, and I also showed you about wildlife. So, if you guys are curious what these white things are, that you see in your yard, these are actually connected to all of these clovers. So they hope the clovers produce more clovers. So, yeah, and when I said about last time that I'm going to try and make them like 10 or 15 minutes long, I changed my mind to any time I want to do them. But, I'm still going to try and do pretty long. And my little sister just found the firefly. Look at the firefly, guys. Where is he? Do you see him? There he is. See it, guys? It's about to take off. It looks like. Yep, he went off. Oh, there he is in the air. Guys probably can't see him, but we can. All right. I saw these pink flowers over here. I don't know what. Ooh, a bumblebee.
Where?
Let's go check this out, guys. You know, you may think I'm crazy about going near a bumblebee, but I know how to handle bees. And there he is. See him, guys? Don't worry. Don't panic. If you panic, then they will attack you, because that means they'll feel threatened. But the bees won't really hurt you if you don't bother them. Now I saw some flowers over here. Oh yeah, these. If you guys know what these pink flowers are, tell me in the comments. And yeah, I already saw them. We already did those. This is going to be the end for this video. And yeah, I'll try and upload a video tomorrow if I can. I don't really know. But bye, YouTubers. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.